Adrift. Meaning. Adrift means floating without being tied or controlled, often used to describe something or someone that is lost or aimless. Definition. Adrift is an adjective used to describe something that is floating without direction or control, often used metaphorically to refer to people or things that lack purpose or guidance. Examples in sentences. 1. After the boat's engine failed, they were left adrift in the middle of the ocean. Here, adrift refers to the boat floating without control, unable to move or navigate. 2. He felt adrift in life after losing his job and not knowing what to do next. In this sentence, adrift describes his feeling of being lost or without direction in life. Usage. Adrift is often used to describe physical things floating without control, but it is also commonly used metaphorically to describe people or situations lacking direction or purpose.
English practice.